National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Robertson County in central Texas, northwestern Millen County in central Texas, eastern Bell County in central Texas, Falls County in central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:45 Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Rogers, Oregon, 12 miles east of Temple, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Temple, Belton, Marlin, Bartlett, Salado, Little River Academy, Troy, Bruceville Eddy, Rosebud, Rogers, Holland, Bremen, Lott, Galinda, and Buckholz. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 278 and 314. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.